and welcome to our editing suite. This is the corner of the dining room table where we edit up all of our videos ready to go. So we've got ready in here our laptop stand, our mouse, our headphones, but we are missing something, and that is the laptop to do the work on. Today we are getting a new laptop. It's very exciting and it's just been delivered. Here it is. This is the ASUS ROG Republic of Gamers Zephyrus G14 laptop. We've chosen a gaming laptop because it has fantastic graphics capabilities. It has an additional GPU, plenty of memory and plenty of storage, and also plenty of cooling, because when we are editing our videos we do run it pretty hard, so it's great for its graphic capabilities. So let's have a look what's in the box, shall we? Here it is, ready to go in the box. Comes in a nice big black Republic of Gamers box. There are two types of laptop in the ASUS gaming range. Republic of Gamers is the higher spec one, and we've chosen that over the tough one. I'll show you why later. So let's dive in. Just snipping open that, and we can now flip the lid. Oh, this is the exciting part, isn't it? Let's have a look what is inside. Okay, nothing in there, that's just for packaging. We've got the laptop here. You'll see it's nice and compact. We've chosen a 14-inch laptop. It's a good compromise between size, weight and portability, but also being able to get all of the components that we want. So nice and small. And also in the box, hopefully we've got something to charge it with. Okay, that's the box empty. Nice box. This will be the charger, I am guessing. Let's have a look. How do we get in other end? Gosh, that will make this easy. That's not how we get in the box. We pull the front off the box. No wonder we were struggling. Okay, so if we lift that up, we've got our charger. Okay, 3-pin plug. Fused, safety first, and quite a big weighty charging pad that comes with it, and that is because the additional components do use a lot of power, so that's good to know. So we'll give that a little bit of a snip open shortly, and let's open up the box. It's like Christmas, isn't it? So it came in a big envelope and then came in the big black box, and now the laptop itself is stored in a smaller black box. There we are. This has a lovely kind of soft feel to it. There we go, put that to one side. I see most of the packaging, by the way, is recyclable. It is almost entirely cardboard, apart from that one little bit of plastic, which is great for the environment. So it has a lovely soft feel. We've got ROG Zephyrus on the side, and we've got a nice kind of textured section here. We'll lift the top off. I can work out how to do this one, which is good. Again, this is cardboard, very nice quality cardboard, but it is cardboard. And there we go, we've got the laptop sitting inside. Again, that is sitting on cardboard, great for sustainability. And we've got our booklets and leaflets underneath if we need those later on. So we'll put that to one side for storage. And now the laptop appears. You can see the ROG laptop has a beautiful chassis, lovely metal finish and LED finish, which we'll have a look at shortly. And let's peel this off. There we go. Another layer. So this is the final layer, and we're into the laptop. We can see the underneath, it's got plenty of fans and cooling space, and that is exactly what you want when you're doing heavy graphics editing. Again, we've chosen the ROG series because of the additional capability of the cooling fans, because we know from our previous laptop they do work very hard, and it's got fans on the back as well. It's also got plenty of speakers that are available if you want to use the sound on it. We tend to use our headphones when we're editing for improved sound, and also if people are doing other things in the house, but good to know that that is available. Okay, so that's the second piece of plastic, 2 small pieces of plastic and another piece of paper. So I'll just peel that off. Well, that's actually metal, so again that probably won't be recyclable. So we're up to sort of 3 pieces of non-recyclable material, but most of it is cardboard. So let's plug it in and have a go. We've plugged the laptop in. It's got a large charging cable, as we showed you before. You can trickle charge via USB-C, but if you're using it full pelt, then you'll want the main charger with it. There were a few more small pieces of plastic that we've pulled off. Again, not a huge amount, but let's tuck them away. We've also noticed it's very easy to mark with your fingers. This is going to be an interesting one to try and keep clean and tidy. So let's open it up and have a look. While we're starting up, let's have a look at some of the specs of this laptop. We've chosen a mid-range gaming laptop. It's got AMD Ryzen 9, which is really good, got plenty of cores and threads so that it can handle graphics processing. Good for games, also good for video editing. And again, good for video editing, it's got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX graphics processing unit in it, and that will give you additional processing power for your videos. This one is the 4060.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows and Control and Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows and U, or select the accessibility icon in the bottom corner.
Rather exciting. So this is a mid-range one. There is a new range coming out soon, but this is one of the better ones that is available at the moment, and this has got the 4060 in it. It's also got 1 terabyte of SSD storage, so nice and quick, and 32 gigabytes of RAM, which again will really help with your video processing. So let's start it up, shall we? I'm just filming again from this side while we start up, because I noticed when I was walking around that it's got this really snazzy LED display. It's rather posh, isn't it? So that's been about an hour since we turned the laptop on, and it's got all of its downloads and its updates run, so nice and safe and secure, ready to go. We've got our headphones and mouse connected there and started downloading the all-important software. Just wanted to finish by showing you the beautiful light-up soft keyboard, which is working well for us, taps away nicely, and beautiful colourful screen. Not a lot on it yet, but there will be later on. So we'll download DaVinci Resolve and let's see how we go with the video editing. Keep an eye out soon. Bye-bye.